One of my favorite things about VI and just text-based editors in general is actually the fact that you can do almost anything with them. It's just a matter of figuring out how. So in this sense, Google, or whatever other search engine I guess you prefer, Google, is an excellent tool for figuring out this kind of stuff. So we're going to start getting into some more of those kind of things that people typically don't realize they can do with VI that can really save you a lot of time. Because I think that's the most important thing, especially if you're a new student to computer science or computer engineering or just trying to learn how to program. Time is always the most important factor. We will also have tutorials on Emacs and other programs like VI. We just thought that because this is what we use in our introductory classes, this was probably the best place to start. One of the things you may have noticed if you just recently installed VI is that it doesn't quite work like what we're doing here. There's none of those fancy colors on the different kinds of C statements. There's none of that graphical stuff going on. And some of the commands may not work the same. That's because our VI is aliased. It's actually vim, VIM, and we basically are just having it mapped to that so that it gets all the nice colors and some of the other features that aren't included in VI. You can make changes to what your VI looks like by editing the vimrc file. It's just .vimrc in your install. And you can even open it with Vim and edit it. I don't recommend just making completely random changes to it. One of the things you can do if you're a student here at UT is you can just copy them straight out of our home machines, or you can even email yourself that file. And we will have some samples of the vimrc files and other configurations for VI that you can download from our webpage. Those links will be with these demo links if you are downloading these to follow along. So with that in mind, we will go ahead and move on to the next demo.